Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will talk about how you can make money online by market trading. This isn't necessarily an easy way to make money. Investing in stock markets can be lucrative if you earn to do it properly and safely. By some token, you may suffer insufficient losses if you don't take it seriously. Today, there is no need to fund the Jack of Wolf of Wall Street Wall Street style stock broker. You can do it yourself with the help of online marketing trading platform. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been experimenting with the popular platform eToro.com. eToro has over 12 million users worldwide and uses and offer free practice accounts. It has been featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders Millions by the Minute and sponsors several Premier League football clubs. Trading stocks on eToro is currently not available in the US. One of the best things on eToro is the copy trader feature. Just lets you literally see, follow, and copy the investment of other top performing traders. Follow George complete guide to uh, uh, trading on eToro to learn more. I think $50 is a good amount to get the most out of the earning. Lucrative by trying out a few different markets. If nothing else, you'll learn a great deal about various investment and industries. Please be aware that all trading involves risk. eToro is a multi-asset platform which offers real asset ownership and high risk leverage. CFD projects about 68% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. This content is not financially or investment advice. Another topic on how you can earn money online is how you can start uh, a website. How you can start your own website. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes, cost hardly anything, and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first few visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Save the Student is just one example of a successful website started at a university by Owen Burke in his first year, which has since grown into a full-time and sizable enterprise. And we also have another video review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're plenty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's a time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and a fun job. Introducing user testing, a platform that pays everyday people to review all kind of websites. Each review takes around about 20 minutes and bags you $10 via PayPal. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.